In class 8 chemistry, we will start with the separating solid liquid mixture, and we will start with the sedimentation and decantation. Sedimentation is the process of separating insoluble solid mixed in a liquid by allowing them to settle down. Sedimentation takes place the difference of the weight of the component of solid liquid mixture. So the particles settle down at the bottom of the liquid mixture. The solid particle that settle during sedimentation is called sediment, and the method followed by decantation, that is which heavier insoluble particle are settled at the bottom are separated by the pouring out of the top clear liquid the another container without disturbing the sediment. Thus, process of pouring out the top clear liquid without disturbing the sediment is called the decantation. Sedimentation and decantation process are also used in home while washing pulses with water. The upper layer of water that contains impurities decanted, and the sedimented pulses are used later. Now one activity is also there that separate the mixture of sand and water using the sedimentation and decantation. These are all process you will see here. Now move on to the another process that is called filtration process. Filtration means actually the process of separating solid suspended in a liquid by using a porous medium. There is filter is called filtration. There is filters with different pore sizes are available. The pores of filter should be smaller than the size of the component that need to be removed. The insoluble solid component left in filter of the as called the residue, and the liquid that passes through the filter is called the filtrate. So here also one filter paper is we have to use. Here also one activity is there, that is mixture of sand and water using the filtration method. That is a 2 beaker sand and water glass also needed. We have to put some water and mix it with sand, and then we have to pour this liquid through the filter paper. Then we will notice that clear water collected the beaker after passing through the filter paper, and the sand particles are left behind in the filter paper. So these are the way by which we can separate it properly. We also make lemon juice and orange juice also through that way, that only liquid pour into the glass, and the substances that is pulp always attach into the filter paper or this swimming substance. So next we have to move on to centrifugation. This is a process of involved in rotating the mixture rapidly in a closed container to separate very fine insoluble solid component mixed in a liquid is called the centrifugation. So the machine used for the centrifugation is called centrifuge. It consists of a rotating motor with holes to place centrifuge tubes. The tubes contain mixture to be separated, and the centrifuge is switched on. The rotated mixture at very high speed twists the heavier components settle out on the bottom of the tube, and the sediments tube of the separated from the by the decantation. So lighter component of the mixture remain in liquid. This method is used in laboratories to separate cells from blood, and in dairies to separate cream from milk. So today up to that, next we will start with another separating method.